Hey everyone, today in this video I would like to show you how to make double color exposure in Photoshop. This is really easy and this is really simple. All you have to need just two things. First PC or your laptop, then Photoshop. You can use all versions of Photoshop because this filter available for all Photoshop versions. So without any wasting time, let's get into it.
In this tutorial, you have to use the photos. You can use your photos, but now I use this one and I use this one. First step, open your image. Now select your photo. Right click and select open with. After that, select Photoshop. And here we are to the Photoshop. You can see our photo in here, and just click in here, artboard, click in here, left click on here, drag it to the bottom of the photo. But now I use this one for my tutorial, then click this to skip. Now we need to move our photo to the center. Just click in here, then use shortcut Ctrl and T, then drag it to the center, just like that. Now we need to input the second photo. Just look on your file. Now my file in here. Then select your second photo, left hold click, then drag it to the Photoshop. So now we can resize our photo by hold and click this one, hold and click this one and drag to the top. If you're done, you can enter or you can click this one. So now your second photo in here, your first photo in here. You can click in here, left click and hold in here, drag it to the top, and yep, here we are. Step 2, apply filters. Now in the second step, you can click in here, right click, then you can see and select the blending options. Wait, now you can see this one is blending options menu. Just drag it a little bit in here to see our photo and uncheck this one, the red color. Your photo will be like that one. Then click OK. So now we need to add more filters in here. Just click in here, then select color balance in here, and then now you can see in here color balance menu. You can click in here and drag it to right or left to give it more color, and in here also you can click and drag in here also. Now change the tone in here, select the shadows. You can also control your shadows in here by give it more blue or give it more red. Then you can also change in here by magenta to give magenta a little bit, or just keeping it be like that. Also you can select the highlights in here to change the tone. You can give it more red, or you can give it more little bit blue in here. So now I just keep like this one, and done with this. Then so now in here we need to add more filters by click this one, then select the level. You can see on the levels menu, you can see this one. You can click auto to make automatically change, or you can just drag this one, drag and hold to change the levels of your picture color. Then you can change the red in here to give it more red or not. Now I just keep like this one. I drag it to the left a little bit, then I give it dark a little bit in here. And also you can change the other color in here. You can change the red, the green, the blue, then click in here if you are done. Now we need to add more filter by click in here, select the brightness and contrast in here, then you can see brightness and contrast menu in here. You can hold and drag to the right or left in here, and I set like this one, and the contrast also you can hold and drag to the right or left, but I set like this one. Then click here if you are done. Step 3, input text. Now we need to input the text in our photos by clicking here, and wait. Now just left click in here, and then delete the text before, then input the text that you want. Input whatever you want, but I use this one. If you're done, just click in here, then or enter. The text will be like this one. You can click in here to move the text to center or to the whatever you want. Put my text in here to the center of my photo, just like this one. Yep. Just enter if you are done. And that's all. Double color exposure photo using Photoshop. It's easy and simple, right? You can change the filter and the text by your own way. It will help you to improve your creativity.
And that's all tutorial from me. If you like this video, you can thumbs up this video. If you have a question, you can use comment section below. And if you want to see our next video, you can subscribe this channel. That's all from me. Have a nice day. See you on the